We've just seen how it's possible to wash a full car using the Hydroshot with some bottle of water and this foam canyon. I have several things to say. First of all, in order to foam the car, I used 2 bottles of like that green one, which is a 1 liter bottle, and for rinsing I've used 4 of them. So you might change that 1 liter bottle with a bigger one, like this one. Alright, so that's one tip. And the second tip, or the second thing I have to say, is that this foam canyon is more like a soap dispenser than a foam canyon. And the reason why is because the Worx Hydroshot doesn't have enough flow and enough pressure to create foam. However, I like it. I've used the Adams Mega Foam in this case because I wanted to create the most possible foam. I'm using also that I use once again the Sure Shot sprayer. In this case I add half ounce or maybe 50 milliliters of Optimum no rinse with water, so we can dry better the car and we can finish it. I pressurize it with my portable tire inflator, and I also use 1 drying towel, 1 microfiber finishing towel, and as always in this case 1 pad. This is from Sonax. And in my opinion, I mean, this is a possible solution if you don't have a very dirty car and you don't have access to a hose. And as always, please leave me in the comments any doubt, any question you've got, and I always leave in the section below all the links to this product I used today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!